Positives, and for celebrating tonight. Believe, thank you so much for making everything possible. And this is my band pala. Ako si Janine Verdian. Mag-rap na akong prepared na. Sana na-enjoy mo po yung first song ko. Para